Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use AI to quickly turn individual photos of your family members into a perfect, high-quality group portrait. If you want to achieve this exact same effect, make sure you watch until the very end because I'll be sharing all the core prompts right here in the video. Without further ado, let's dive straight into it. First, open up your browser and head over to ChatGPT. Next, drag and drop clear, close-up photos of your and your family members' faces directly into the chat box. Now for the most crucial step, paste in the custom prompt I've prepared for you. Finally, just hit send and wait for your image to generate. These prompts are amazing for maintaining character consistency while generating highly detailed 4K resolution images with a great cinematic texture. Lastly, I highly recommend checking out this free tool that turns your family photos into those super trendy 3D action figures with just one click. Pretty cool, right? I've left the link for the 3D figure generator, along with all the prompts used for the group photo, down in the description box below. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more creative AI tips and tricks.